Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on the network layer or the layer 3 within the OSI model. So in this video we're going to be talking about the network layer in itself, what its job is within the conceptualized framework of the OSI model, what devices we may expect to see, and what protocols that can be used within this layer. So basically, the network layer is where we're going to the end of our local area network. We're talking about the default gateway, we're talking about IP addresses, and we're talking about how a PC connected to other devices via a switch can then send an email to a different network within a WAN, a wide area network. And effectively, that's really what the internet is in basic terms. It is a connection of various WANs that can connect to each other, a connection of various wide area networks that can connect to each other um, through certain protocols and certain things of that nature. So here we have sort of a schematic diagram of a very simple wide area network where we have two routers connected to each other. And we have one router that is connected to a switch, which is pretty much depicting what we talk about when we concern a wide area network or layer of the layer 3 within the OSI model. So we've got two routers that can communicate with each other, and then a switch that's connected to one router, which is depicting how a local area network can use a router that will have a default gateway that allows them to connect to the outer world within the LAN. This will be a WAN, this will be a LAN, and this is possible through the third layer, the network layer of the OSI model. So when we talk about layer 3, we are using IP addresses, not MAC addresses, like we do in the data link layer. We are using 4 octets and various classes of IP addresses, protocols we are using. We're going to be using NAT, ICMP, and ARP, so network address translation and address resolution protocol, which allows us to NAT allows us to have a sort of hidden IP address, so a inside local, outside global IP addresses within our network, which just allows us to use more IPv4 addresses than uh, than 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 are available. And ARP, as mentioned in the data link layer lesson, is a way for us to allow us to have the MAC address and the IP address corresponding with each other to determine which logical address is for which physical address. And the data types that we are used within the layer 3 layer, the network layer, is the packet datagram, and the equipment, as mentioned before, is a router. And in a nutshell, that is the layer 3 layer within the OSI model. It is used for WANs, it is used for routers. It allows us to connect our LAN to a WAN, and that allows us to connect to the outer internet. Okay, I hope you gained something from this lesson, and I hope to see you in the next one.